Good day, traders. Good day, good day. You're speaking to Mr. D. This is Mr. D from D Forex Academy. Before I go further, guys, I would like to urge you to subscribe on this video, like it, and press the notification button so that if I post a new video, you'll be the first one to see that content. Guys, the topic that I want us to talk about is about why traders quit trading Forex. Others, they quit trading stock, but here I'm focusing on Forex. Let me just say why traders quit trading. Let me just say that so that we're going to have the same understanding. So I'm going to go through these 5 points. It's going to be a short video. I'm going to go through these 5 points and break each point down. Okay, it won't be long. The first point is big expectation. The second point, they don't give themselves enough time to understand the market. The third point is risk management. The fourth point, they don't know when to cut the loss or to take profit. The last one, they don't work more on themselves as they work on their jobs. Okay, so this is interesting. Guys, I've been around. I've seen people making money in the Forex market. I've seen people making big money, millions. I've seen people losing it all. I've seen people keep on pushing. I've seen people losing it all, but try again, come back and try again till they get it right. I'm one of those who lost a lot in the market. I lost a lot in my beginning phase. Um, I lost a lot, but I didn't give up. What is good about me? I didn't give up. Eventually, I made it. So, what I'm trying to say in this video is that you'll find that some of the traders, new traders, especially when they come in the Forex market, this is very serious, guys, and most of the traders that are donating their money in the market because they lack understanding. As I said, big expectation. I started with that one. Number one, big expectation. What do I mean by saying big expectation? Most people, they expect to make million overnight. They come to Forex market, they don't do enough. They expect to make millions overnight. What do I mean by that? They think Forex is like triple M, is like what this other crowd one, where they say you put so much money and you'll get so much money within a space of certain time. That's why most new traders are being scammed, because they put money, they said they come to you and say they inbox you. Real Forex traders, they don't do that. They inbox you and say, no, you put 2,000 Rand and you'll make so much, and you put that money and they create a fake profile for you. After you've noticed that fake profile, they say, they come with that fake profile to you and say, no, you have made out of this 2,000, you have made 25,000. So what, in order for you to withdraw, we need 10% of 25,000 as a deposit. I don't know what deposit what, but that's what they said, because my sister called me saying she want money so that she can release money that someone has been trading for her. Hey, it's a long story. And I said, no ways. So that's what happens with new traders. They come back to Forex with the same mentality that they will make big money in a short space of what? Of time. Another point under big expectation, they start traders, new beginners, they start something that they don't understand. They don't understand the market. Né? They don't understand how to make money in the market. That's why they don't know what they don't know anything about Forex, but they rush the process. They rush the process. If you want to do something, do a research. You want to do something, do a research, do a thorough research. What is trading? What is traded? How do people make money in this thing? Once you make a research, you won't have a problem when you start trading and you see those losses. You won't have problems, because you'll understand that there's another skill that I have to work on. Big expectation, we're done with it. The second point that makes people quit trading Forex, they don't give themselves enough time to understand the market. I've been trading for quite some time. For the first 2 years, it was hard. Or 1.5 years or 2 years, if I'm not mistaken, it was hard because I wanted to do everything by myself. I wanted to teach myself everything. I had little understanding of the market. Like one of the guys in my group, just in the beginners group, I had a free course. I did a free course for a week. I wanted to show people how we make money. That's it. I just give them basics. And now this guy is saying no. He can't join the VIP group because he doesn't have enough money. Because I said to them, it's either you join my VIP or any VIP is fine. It's fine, but you must be under, if you want to continue with the general Forex, you must be under a certain academy where you're going to be groomed. I have an academy, but it doesn't mean that you have to come to me, but you can go to any academy, you see. But this guy said to me, Mr. D, I would love to join your academy, but your VIP, but the problem is I don't have enough money. I only have enough money to fund my account. So yeah, you only have enough money to fund your account. But now what about taking that money, investing in your education, get somebody that's gonna mentor you so that you understand the market better because you start if you fund your account right now, definitely you're gonna blow that account. You can upload that account. Yes, I've shown you how to place the trade. You have seen me making money. I've given you signals to make money. But are you going to get signals in the market that's going to give you money, that's going to make you money? Why don't you take that money, invest in your education? Like when you go to your university, it's the same thing, guys. You go to university, you pay for your fees, you learn. Sometimes you pay monthly, others they pay monthly, others they pay for the whole year, others they pay for 6 months. So after 6 months, they pay again till the end of the year. So after that, you finish school, you get a job, or you start your business. Something applies here. You cannot get a skill that will make you millions and say you don't want to pay for it. That's a lie. And you say, no, I've learned, I will learn on YouTube. Nothing of value that comes for free. Nobody will share a $1 million strategy here and you get it for free. No one. I'm telling you, no one will share a $1 million strategy here on YouTube and you get it for free. No one. So my advice to the new trader, once now you have basics, get a mentor, somebody that will guide you, and spend more time on your chart. Spend more time on your chart. Don't rush to trade with the real account. I can say for the first month when you are under the mentorship, trade with trade with a demo. When you are comfortable, you find your account. When you are comfortable of managing the trade, placing a trade, you fund your account with a small amount of money in a manner that you'll be able to do what? To continue. You'll be able to do what? To learn, because it's a learning curve. Even after you have funded your account. Because when I started with Stanley Leshezi, I said to myself, since Stanley Leshezi has blown his account, which means I'll be learning from his mistakes, I won't blow my account. But I forgot to think. I forgot to understand one thing, that there's a trading psychology here that you have to understand. I always tell my traders that the hardest thing is not to find a signal or to analyze the chart. The hardest thing in Forex is to manage a winning trade. For me, it's to manage a winning trade. That is hard, guys. It's hard because you have to make some decisions. Yeah. The third one, as I'm talking about managing the trade, is risk management. Risk management. Because now you have started trading, now you traded with 0.01 lot size and you made some few dollars. Now you think now you have made it. Your account is still more small, but now you want to increase your lot size. You want to increase your lot size, or you call it volume. When you increase your volume, what will happen? The market goes against you, and boom, you think you blow your account, and you say, yo, come on, man. No, man. No, man. Which means I entered so early. Let me fund again so that I can catch this move. Again, boom. And you say, no, man. And after you finish all your money, you see the market going to your direction. And you say, no, Forex is a scam. They're scamming us. The broker that I'm using is not good. Hey, the broker that has nothing to do with whatever that you are doing. The broker is there to make money as you are there to make money. The broker doesn't side with the market. So the brokers are there to help you to execute your trades. They started the brokerage firm because they want to make money. They want to get clients where they charge with the spread to make money and the commission as well. Okay. And most people, they don't even know, as I'm talking about the risk management, they don't know even where to put their stop losses, where to take the profit. They don't know the zones, how to mark the zones. And those are basics, guys. Those are basics. Okay, let's move on. We are still on the reasons why the traders quit Forex. They don't know where to cut the losses or to take profit. That's point number 4. They don't know when to cut the loss. Because sometimes you place a trade, you think you plan your setup, you analyze, okay, now is the time to execute. Only to find that maybe you realize that, hey, this execution, man, I know, I quickly entered this trade. So because you quickly entered the trade, you still hold on a losing trade. You can see that you made a mistake by entering the trade so early. So now you have made a mistake. Why don't you cut your losses early? Cut your losses early. Like what Mark Douglas used to say when I started listening to his audiobooks, Trading in a Zone, because I don't have a book. I normally listen to audiobooks. He said, cut your losses. He said most of the new traders, why they fail it, because they haven't mastered the skill of cutting their losses early and let their profit runs. Cut your losses early, let your profit run. You quickly take the profit. You quickly take the profit. When it's time to take your profits, you don't take it. And the market end up coming against you because you don't take profit. What you are waiting for? It's because you don't know when to take profit, when you let the profit the trade run. I'm coming back to the issue of mentorship. You have to get somebody to help you. You can't teach yourself to drive unless you have so many cars that you are willing to scratch, or unless you have so many lives that if you die, if you make an accident, you die, you have another life. Yeah? You can't teach yourself everything. Even if me too, I am running a trading business. I have other businesses, but my books, I don't run my books. I can learn how to do that, but I'm not doing that because I have to get somebody to help me with, to pay somebody to do me to help me with that. So cut your losses early and let your profit runs. You cut your losses early, you let your profit what runs. There's another part of winning strategy, winning, because it comes with a trading psychology. That's why you learn all those things if you are under a trading community. Before I go to the 5th one, I always want to tell you this, guys, that the strength of the wolf is in the pack. The strength of the wolf is in the pack. When the wolf is hunting alone, the wolf to kill to catch maybe a prey is not the chances maybe are 50-50. But now when they're in the pack, they can destroy a big prey. They can destroy a big prey because they're in the pack. So what I'm trying to tell you is that if you want to grow so that you won't quit, if you want to grow, join a trading a community. Be under a certain mentor. It can be me, it can be anyone that you are comfortable to work with. Yes, we offer our mentorship subscription is very cheap because even after I've seen that you have mastered your craft, let's say now you can analyze your charts. I can see that now you are on point. You can share signals. Oh, wow, the guy is doing very well. I'll say to you, no, now you stop paying. You are no longer paying. But I'll groom you again to be able to be like Mr. D. What I'm doing from there, I'm taking you from being a trader now. I'm introducing you to a business of trading, that how to make more money beside now trading alone. How another way of making money here. How do you make money? Because now you came to me, you pay for a mentorship. That's another income for me. That's another income stream. So you too as well, you must be able to place trades, be able to analyze the chart, your trading psychology be on point, and thereafter I can groom you to run your academy as well, because there's so many people out there who need help. There's so many people that you can catch there who need help. So now that's why I create my own copy, which means here I'm not helping only on teaching you how to trade, helping you with trade. I'm helping you now to become an entrepreneur, because at the end of the day, I want you to be big as well. That's what I do. I don't know about other mentors if they do that, but that's what I do. Yeah. So yeah, because at a certain point you don't pay. So I'm not there in mentorship. I was just talking about why traders quit forex. Another one that I was gonna add here, I would say because they don't want they don't want to pay, they want free information. I was gonna add that one as I'm talking about mentorship now. They want free information. That free information, that's what mislead them. I mean, yeah, guys, let me just go to the last one. They don't work more on themselves as they work on their jobs. They don't work on themselves more as they work on their jobs. Now, guys, here's the last point. In order for you to achieve great things, you must work on yourself. Work on your mind. Stop being jealous. On social media, you see somebody posting something, you swear at them, you criticize them. No. Start your own thing and believe in your own thing. Even if somebody is posting something that you see is wrong, leave them alone. It's not your job to comment. Or if somebody's trying to build up his business, no, you don't do like this. We know people who knows this better. They do A, B, C, D, and F. Work on yourself. Work on your mind. Be matured enough. Mind your own business. Read books. There are books that I can refer to you that can help you to make sure to elevate your mind, to make sure that you think on another level. Think big. There's a book I have here. It says The Magic of Thinking Big. You read that book, your mind, your thinking, your thinking capacity won't be the same. Listen to seminars on YouTube. Those are things you can get them for free on YouTube. They can help you big time. Listen to Eric Thomas, Les Brown, Brian Tracy, Bob. Oh Lord, Bob. Why am I forgetting this old man who wrote the book Secret? Bob, what is, why am I forgetting your name? Jim Rowe. Jim Rowe is the first one to start with. Jim Rowe. Jim Rohn, guys, make sure that you listen to Jim Rohn. You can just go on YouTube and just search self-development by Jim Rohn. You won't look back, guys, because you have to work more on yourself. Work more on yourself than you work on your job, because most traders, they spend more time on their jobs than to work on themselves. Today, I posted something on social media on my status, WhatsApp status. I said, what is stealing your time? Most people spend more time on social media than spend more time on themselves. You are paying the social media with your data, but you are gaining nothing back, which means social media has become your liability, not an asset. Social media for me is an asset. If I post something, it must get me something back. Not all the time, but 80% out of time. 80% of time. So teach yourself to work hard on yourself, because when you work at work on your job, yes, you are making your boss rich. You are making your boss rich. You are as you are listening to my voice, you are making yourself your boss rich. You know what Eric Thomas said? Eric Thomas said on another video, on his video, he said, people who have dreams work for people who have dreams. People who don't have dreams work for people who have dreams. And Robert Kiyosaki once said, once they say they want to pay you salary, they want you to forget about your dreams. When they say, we will pay you salary, they want you to forget about your dreams. When you are young, you have dreams. Now you are growing, you have other dreams. Sometimes you are scared because sometimes you are scared because you have an idea, and now you are scared that if I jump to this, what if it doesn't work? But what if it works? I left my job as a debt counselor. I left my job and I focused on trading. I focused on first thing first before trading. I was working as a tour guide because I was based in Cape Town. I was working as a tour guide, and that thing made me money. It made me money. Yeah. So from there, what I did is, and I was trading by then anyway. I was learning. I was trading by then, but I was not that profitable. Uh, from there, I said, let me just focus on Forex because Forex was something that I believe a lot in because I love money. I love something that when I give 120% time, it should give me 120% returns. So that's where my focus was. So I put everything on Forex. All my time on Forex. I started learning. I started sleeping less. I started spending more time on the charts. Till today, I still spend more time on the charts. That's why I'm still here. My journey, it was not easy when I started. But if I quitted when I started, when it was tough, I wouldn't be where I am. Wouldn't hear my voice today. I wouldn't be sharing this. I'm sharing this with you because of the experience I have. It's either you take it or you don't take it, but it's up to you. But this what I've noticed that have made most of traders to fail or to quit trading. My name is Mkosi Damini. They know me as Mr. D from D Forex Academy. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. And guys, if you have any questions, just subscribe there on the. If you have any questions, you can ask on the comment section, or maybe if you like this video and you want to say something, thumbs up the video and press the notification button, guys. And thank you so much. I'll see you on top because the bottom is overcrowded. If you guys want a broker that have a good leverage, that you can start depositing the small money and be able to open quick lot sizes, and at the same time, at the same time, because that one, other people they say, no, if you take a broker with a big leverage, it's like risking. No, I'll teach you. I'll teach you how to manage that. Okay. I know very well. I know very well because of my experience. I know how to maneuver in the industry. And the broker that is cheap. Hey, the broker that I was using when we place a trade before, when you place a trade, I can prove it to you. Euro USD with a lot size of 1. The other broker will charge you $27. The other broker will charge you. The broker that I'm using can charge me maybe around about $6 with 1 lot size. A spread. Can you imagine? So it's the cheapest broker. So I'm gonna leave. It's Xness, by the way. It's Xness. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave the link below here in my description so that you can just start experiencing the benefit of a cheaper broker. Thank you so much, guys. And the withdrawals as well. The deposit. You deposit now. The money appears on your trading platform now. You withdraw today, and same day you get your money, or on the next day. It depends what time you withdraw. Thank you so much, guys. I'm out. Thank you. I hope whatever that I've shared with you have added value on you. Thank you.